In the search view, we have an option to search and then to filter on the results. So let me start with the demo directly. So we have now enabled the use of not and the use of logical operator and. So we can use these operators to filter our search. So let me start with the primary search in the primary search area. So suppose we look for the word log that's present in our workspace, and then we press on this filter. You see, before I do that, maybe we have a look at the number of matches. We have 107 matches if we look for the search, the word log. So now if I use the not operator to, uh, yeah, so now we have down to 95 matches. So now, and so I don't want something that comes up with yellow. So I do this, I have 89. So I'm filtering each time I'm adding something. So maybe, yeah, now something is much refined. So, I mean, it depends. This query can be customized. You can add n number of operands here, and the combination can be anything. If the resultant is present in the workspace, it would be visible in your search result. So also there is another use case. Suppose you want to do a verbatim search. So maybe you have logged something in your workspace, maybe a text, something like this. Uh, Then double quotes works as a verbatim search. So it looks for it in the workspace, and if it is present, it would be visible here. This is something we've done. And yes, this, and suppose coming to a more a very practical point of view, a developer once he's working on some a big project on a multiple lines of code on multiple files he might have changed. And now he wants to go back to a particular file that he might have changed on June 2021 probably. So he can actually use this functionality using in this modified column. So maybe he can search like this, 2021, maybe around 4. He might have made some change. When he does that, he has a much refined search. So in the complete workspace, all he has to do is just look into 33 files, and maybe it becomes much easier, and he can use further search result from here. So yeah. Yeah, that's all from my end. So any questions? These are some enhancements that we have done on the filtering.
We can mention that the verbatim search with the double quotes is what you, for example, need to do if you want to search for the and ampersand characters, to avoid that they are interpreted as the logical and operator, or same for not, of course.
Yes. So if you want to look for something like this, if it is present in your workspace, it would come up. But if a user uses this, then the filter would expect an operand, since it's a unary operator. So it would look for an operand, and you'll get an error. So to be able to search a particular character like this, not we need to do a verbatim search like this.